Your career is too important to leave to chance. At FIIB, we start shaping it from the week one, with mentors who guide you, coaches who strengthen you, and opportunities that prepare you for the real roles. This is your starting point for an extraordinary career. Every MBA student wants to know the same thing. Will this program take my career where I want it to go? It's a fair question, and at FIIB we answer it by building your career from your very first week. Your MBA journey here follows a structured 2-year design. It begins with understanding who you are, your strengths, communication style, values, and your aspirations. Through assessments, coaching, and reflection, you build a strong foundation of self-awareness, a quality every great leader shares. You work with career advisors who help you set clear goals, life coaches who build your emotional intelligence, industry mentors who help you understand roles, sectors, and expectations, and recruiters and alumni who give you the real insights from the field. This guidance ensures that you grow not just in skills, but in maturity, clarity, and direction. Throughout your journey, you develop the capabilities employers value most: communicating with confidence, solving problems using data, thinking clearly under pressure, collaborating effectively, presenting your ideas with impact, and demonstrating professionalism in every interaction. These are the skills that differentiate strong MBAs, and they're built deliberately at FIIB. You'll go through assessment centers and case challenges, group discussions, technical and behavioral mock interviews, resume and personal branding workshops, and sector-specific presentations. You walk into interview rooms having already practiced what employers expect. Our year-on-year results speak for themselves. Students step into roles in consulting, finance, technology, product analytics, and strategy. Roles that set the foundation for accelerated growth. And our alumni carry that momentum forward, rising quickly into leadership, expanding to global markets, and building careers that make us proud. These outcomes are not accidental. They come from work, your work, and the institution's commitment to your success. If you are ready to take ownership of your growth, if you are ready to work hard and stretch yourself, and if you want a school that walks with you every step of the way, then FIIB will be your strong partner in this journey. This is where your career journey starts, and we're here to help you shape it with confidence and purpose. Your career is too important to leave to chance. At FIIB, we start shaping it from the week one, with mentors who guide you, coaches who strengthen you, and opportunities that prepare you for the real roles. This is your starting point for an extraordinary career. Choose FIIB.